What was the fate of the mother bird during the storm? तूफान के दौरान मातृ पक्षी का भाग्य क्या था? Answer is died.
Where did one of the baby birds land after the storm? तूफान के बाद पक्षियों का एक बच्चा कहां उतरा? Answer is cave.
Where did the other baby bird land after the storm? तूफान के बाद पक्षी का दूसरा बच्चा कहां उतरा? Answer is ashram.
Who stumbled upon the cave where the robbers lived? उस गुफा तक कौन पहुंचा जहां लुटेरे रहते थे? Answer is king.
What did the bird near the cave urge the robbers to do? गुफा के पास के पक्षी ने लुटेरों से क्या करने का आग्रह किया? Answer is steal, चोरी.
Who was the wise figure in the ashram? आश्रम में बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति कौन था? Answer is rishi.
How did the king react to the bird's speech near the cave? गुफा के पास पक्षी की बोली सुनकर राजा की क्या प्रतिक्रिया हुई? Answer is rode away, चला गया.
What did the king notice about the two birds? राजा ने दोनों पक्षियों के बारे में क्या देखा? Answer is similar, समान.
What did the rishi suggest influenced the bird's behaviour? ऋषि ने जो सुझाव दिया उससे पक्षी के व्यवहार पर प्रभाव पड़ा? Answer is company.
How did the bird near the cave acquire its speech? गुफा के निकट पक्षी को वाणी कैसे प्राप्त हुई? Answer is by listening, सुनकर.
What did the king comment on about the forest? राजा ने जंगल के बारे में क्या टिप्पणी की? Answer is tranquility, शांति.
What did the rishi offer the king? ऋषि ने राजा को क्या दिया? Answer is food.
What did the king notice about the behavior of the two birds? राजा ने दोनों पक्षियों के व्यवहार पर क्या गौर किया? Answer is contradictory, विरोधाभासी.
What did the rishi suggest about the influence of companionship? संगति के प्रभाव के बारे में ऋषि ने क्या सुझाव दिया? Answer is powerful, शक्तिशाली.
How did the bird near the ashram behave towards the king? आश्रम के निकट पक्षी ने राजा के प्रति कैसा व्यवहार किया? Answer is friendly, मिलनसार.
What did the king do upon hearing the bird near the cave? गुफा के पास पक्षी की आवाज सुनकर राजा ने क्या किया? Answer is ran away, भाग गया.
What was the king's initial reaction upon encountering the birds? पक्षियों से सामना होने पर राजा की प्रारंभिक प्रतिक्रिया क्या थी? Answer is confusion, भ्रम.
What did the rishi invite the king to do? ऋषि ने राजा को क्या करने के लिए आमंत्रित किया? Answer is rest.
What quality did the bird near the ashram possess? आश्रम के पास के पक्षी में क्या गुण थे? Answer is hospitality, मेहमान नवाजी.
Fill in the blanks. One day, there was a big blank. Answer is storm.
The tall tree in which the birds lived also blank. Answer is collapsed.
Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the blank. Answer is forest.
One of them came down near a blank where a gang of robbers lived. Answer is cave.
The other landed outside a blank ashram. Answer is rishis.
Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick! Hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his blank and his horse." Answer is jewels.
The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big, brown blank on the tree under which he was sitting. Answer is bird.
He also heard faint noises issuing from the blank. Answer is cave.
He quickly got on to his horse and rode away as fast as he blank. Answer is could.
Soon, he came to a blank, which looked like an ashram. Answer is clearing.
Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir, please go inside and blank." Answer is rest.
The king told the blank the story of the two birds. Answer is rishi.
The forest is full of blank, he said. Answer is surprises.
The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the blank one keeps." Answer is company.
Just then the blank entered the ashram. Answer is rishi.
"Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my blank." Answer is food.
The king commented, "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave," he said to himself, blank. Answer is loudly.
"You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with blank." Answer is robbers.
"This one has repeated what he has always blank said," the bird near the ashram. Answer is heard.
Give the answer in true or false. The two baby birds were siblings. दोनों पक्षी के बच्चे भाई बहन थे. Answer is true.
The storm destroyed the bird's nest. तूफान ने पक्षियों के घोंसले को नष्ट कर दिया. Answer is true.
One baby bird landed near a farmer's house. एक पक्षी का बच्चा एक किसान के घर के पास उतरा. Answer is false.
The king got lost while hunting for birds. पक्षियों का शिकार करते समय राजा भटक गया. Answer is false.
The first bird the king met warned him about robbers. राजा को जो पहला पक्षी मिला उसने उसे लुटेरों के बारे में चेतावनी दी. Answer is true.
The king found shelter at a palace. राजा को एक महल में आश्रय मिला. Answer is false.
The second bird the king met offered him water. राजा को जो दूसरा पक्षी मिला उसने उसे पानी पिलाया. Answer is true.
The two birds looked completely different. दोनों पक्षी बिल्कुल अलग दिख रहे थे. Answer is false.
The robber bird encouraged the king to steal. डाकू पक्षी ने राजा को चोरी करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया. Answer is true.
The rishi bird welcomed the king to the ashram. ऋषि पक्षी ने आश्रम में राजा का स्वागत किया. Answer is true.
The king believed the robber bird was a good influence. राजा का मानना था कि डाकू पक्षी का प्रभाव अच्छा था. Answer is false.
The rishi explained the importance of manners. ऋषि ने शिष्टाचार का महत्व बताया. Answer is false.
The story takes place in a forest. कहानी एक जंगल में घटित होती है. Answer is true.
The baby birds were able to fly right after the storm. तूफान के ठीक बाद पक्षी के बच्चे उड़ने में सक्षम थे. Answer is false.
The king tied his horse to a tree. राजा ने अपने घोड़े को एक पेड़ से बांध दिया. Answer is true.
The robber bird spoke in a gentle voice. डाकू पक्षी नम्र स्वर में बोला. Answer is false.
The rishi bird learned bad habits from the robbers. ऋषि पक्षी ने लुटेरों से बुरी आदतें सीखी. Answer is false.
The story teaches us to judge people by the company they keep. ये कहानी हमें लोगों को उनकी संगति से आंकना सिखाती है. Answer is true.
The king captured the robbers after hearing the bird's warning. पक्षी की चेतावनी सुनकर राजा ने लुटेरों को पकड़ लिया. Answer is false.
The two birds never saw each other again. दोनों पक्षियों ने फिर कभी एक दूसरे को नहीं देखा. Answer is true.